I'm Amber and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set your store up on cake2u.com. So you will have already filled in the registration. We will have approved your registration and sent you an email with a link to the store wizard, and this is the store wizard. So first things first is to add your image, your logo. So you would upload it. I've already cheated and uploaded some things beforehand. If you don't have a logo, don't worry. Just pick an eye-catching image of a cake you've made. That will be fine. So you need a business logo and a banner. Ideally, the two would complement each other, but you can change them later. So really, you want something that's about 1600 pixels by 350 pixels, something like that. Next will be your business name. Now this will have been what you set in the registration, and the email will come through that too. But yes, if you want the business name to change, to be different to your username, that's where you change it, but you can't change the username, remember. Then you put your phone number in, and you put your business address in. Now this needs to be your legal business address, but if you want it to be hidden from customers for security reasons, if you're working out of your own home, absolutely you can. Just put it in here, and then you can select it to be hidden later. Oops, it would help if I put Birmingham correctly, wouldn't it? And then you put the postcode. And then what we do is, so that people can find you, you don't have to use your exact postcode. You put the post, oh, 1AS doesn't exist. Let's use B11AY. There we go. And so that shows where you are roughly. So if you don't want to put your exact postcode, you could put a different postcode that's very nearby so that people can find you and know you're local. And here's where you type and put in all about your business, what makes you, what drives you, what your specialisms are, that kind of thing. Okay, so then we move on. You can skip this step if you want, but I would suggest you don't, because those are the basic, very essential things you need. So then you need to go through and either set up yourself with Stripe right now, or you can do this later. Stripe is an industry-leading financial services platform. They take all our credit card details and things from our customers, and they will also distribute the proceeds to you. So you need to be signed up with them and give them your bank details and things, but you do that on their platform. You don't give that information to us. We're going to skip this step right now, but you can do it either at registration or later once you've made a sale. It's fine. Next step is your policy setup. So you can either accept our policies for shipping, refunds and cancellations, etc. Or if you have your own, you can put those in there. If you don't offer shipping, that's fine. Just put in there collection only. That's fine. We're going to continue. And then finally, you want to look at your SEO title. Now, I've already sneakily filled these in, but so your SEO title is what comes at the top in the tab at the very top. So I've suggested that my bakery is based in central Birmingham, so that's what I'm going to have on my SEO. The meta description, if you hover over the question mark, it will give you a clue. But these are a couple of short sentences that come up in search engine results. Explaining about the page, and so you could say a bit more about you there. So if you specialize, for example, in eggless and gluten-free, you could mention that in your meta description, and you could mention that in your keywords as well. And then that is you all good to go, and you can go and have a look at the dashboard. We'll have some more videos later explaining, but yeah, here's where you'd go in, and this is your store. This is all the different sections you've got access to, and you would add a new product here, and I'll have to upload a video on how to do that.